back with another banger. I got an unboxing for you today, but first, before I say that, let's say this. Congratulations to my dogs, national champion. In 41 years in the making. If you are a dog fan, hey, I know you feel like me. I'm feeling way up right now. Man, I just man, listen. You gotta do that for y'all, man. I can sit here and talk about my dogs and how much of a journey it's been to get to that national championship and to get past our nemesis, man, that damn Nick Saban, I tell you. But anyway, I know y'all don't care nothing about that. Somebody don't even be no football fan, so I know y'all not worried about that. But hey, go dogs. But yeah, I got the LC Racing here, y'all. I know y'all probably wondering what's in the box. Man, you always buying some LC Racing. I like LC Racing. They make some good quality vehicles, so I really like them, you know. And for some reason, it's just that I just want them all. For some reason, I don't know why, but I really want them all. But yeah, this is the PTG-2HK. This is a rally 110 scale rally car. I really wanted this. It's kind of priced kind of high to me. When we get in the box, we're gonna see what's in the box so we can see. But to me, it's kind of priced a little high. It's $287, I believe, $290, somewhere around in there. Shipping, it'll probably be a little bit over $300. So just keep that in mind. And it is a roller. So also keep that in mind. It comes with no electronics, just a roller for $287 price. Like I said, plus shipping, will be around 300 and something, 30 or so, I think, dollars. So just keep that in mind, but I hope it's worth it. I mean, it's really priced, so I hope it's worth it, and it's a 110 scale. You know, I can think of a lot of things I could have gotten for that kind of money. But anyway, let's get this box open and see what's in here. Nice box. Actually, y'all, they sent me this box better than you to send my box, I swear. When I get this, because I ordered from Bang Goods, a link will be up there where you can see it right there, but a link will be in the description for it. I buy them from Bang Goods, and usually it look like my box been Bang Goods. I'll tell y'all. But anyway, let's look in here and see what's in the box. Oh. This thing is nice, y'all. Let me look at this first. We'll get all the way in. Let me check this out. I was about to say, y'all, they ain't sent me nothing in this box. Servo. Yeah, servo horns. It's got some body pins. The little cushions for your, for your body post. It's got those in here for you. It has a pinion gear. Excuse me. Yeah, that's about it. Screws, servo horn, pinion gear, a couple washers, body clips. Yeah, so that's what's in that bag. Sure. Nothing else in the box. This is cool. Look, man, you get mirrors. It comes with your little, with the mirrors. You get mirrors. Those are nice. You get two mirrors, a driver and passenger side mirror. And I believe this looks like a wing to me. Like, we'll see where that goes, but I think that's a wing. Let's see where that goes. Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice body, y'all. This is the body. That's a nice sturdy body, y'all. Real nice. I'm talking about oh my God, I'm not looking at things anymore. Gang, it's even got windshield wipers on it. Like it's got windshield wipers. This thing is nice, y'all. I mean, this is really nice. I really mean it. Like, if y'all could see this in person, this is really a nice body. So far, so good. So far, so good. It doesn't have LC Racing on it anywhere. So, I'm talking about good sturdy body too, y'all. Doesn't have, what's that? It's like a little vent shield. It's not a hole in it, but it's like a little vent shield. Okay. Yeah, gang, it doesn't have LC Racing anywhere. This is a real, like, true spec rally car. Like, this thing is really nice. It's got the light buckets where you can put your lights, LED lights. It's got light buckets, front and rear. You see you got light buckets in there. Light buckets. Light buckets in there. Yeah, that's nice. That is real nice. And we have the car. Let's move this out the way, y'all. So, take a look at that. There y'all have y'all. And it comes with a little dust shield. It looks like a little RC body actually, but it's a dust shield. But you could use that as a body too. You could paint that and actually use that as a body, which it is a body, like it's a touring car, like race car, like I just say a mini limitless. It's like a mini limitless body.
I smell cap.
But yeah, you could use that for that. But yeah, let's get this off. Let's check this thing out. Cause like I say, y'all, this thing is high priced. Remove perfected film before applying stickers. Yeah, okay, no jump, Sherlock. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, y'all, all right. We got aluminum chassis. Aluminum chassis. We got aluminum oil field shocks, yep. Working, threaded. Feel pretty good too. Like I said, this is a rally car. Okay, that feels real good, y'all. Feels real good. Nice little good foam bumper insert. That's good. Fairly thick body post. It's fairly thick. So you have to unscrew this one and pop this one in, y'all. Okay. Okay, I see one thing they've changed. I see that's a good thing, y'all. They've eliminated the slipper clutch. This one doesn't, and that's a thicker, you have a thicker dog bone. Usually these LC races can come with very thin dog bones. That is a much thicker aluminum dog bone. It feels pretty sturdy. I must say it feels pretty sturdy. But yeah, it does, like I said, it's not they eliminated that slipper clutch. That's great because that's the problem with the other ones that I don't like. If they would make a kit, you can't. One thing with the 114 scales, you can't get a Metal Gear for it. Not from LC Racing for that model. Me personally, I haven't found a Metal Gear that will fit. So I've been working on that. If y'all know one, let me know, because that's what I've been working on my 114 scale, my EMBT. And my EMB SC, both of them. Like I said, it's just 4-wheel drive. It doesn't come with a servo either. You have your straps for your battery. Nice rubber foam filled tires. They feel real good, real grippy. Yeah, those are real good tires. Yeah. Gang, these almost feel like good aftermarket tires. So these like real good tires. Nice little white rim spoke. Gang, I'm gonna tell y'all something. That's a sturdy bar. I'm gonna tell y'all something. It is very well built. I will say that it's very well built. Like I said, we're gonna see how. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, y'all. Y'all give me some suggestions. I have no clue. All my RC guys out there, y'all give me some ideas. What do y'all think? You know, I really want to use it for street. It's a rally car. It's supposed to be driven off-road, but we don't really do a lot of off-road stuff. I want to, and then we make, as y'all saw me and Zookeep in the video, we did the off-road video. Now we have street tires on. Like, I want to have me a basher, but I believe we're going to end up having to buy me something like a Creighton or an X-Max or something of that nature, like for me to just actually just bash it. Because as long as I get things that like this and stuff that I kind of make fast and run on the street, I'm gonna be running on the street. So, that's just like what we love to do. We love to street race. So, but y'all like this thing, man. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just let y'all take a closer look at it. I know y'all looking at it from here, you might kind of see everything. You know, I want y'all to take a close look so y'all really can look at this, because to me, right now, I don't know about the almost $300 price point before shipping. So I'm gonna have to, wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. This thing got, it's got carbon fiber shock towers. Did not see that. That's a plus. Okay, so they actually put some carbon fiber on it. I don't know if it's real carbon. It looks like carbon fiber, y'all. Kind of feels like carbon fiber, so yeah. That's a plus. I don't know, y'all. Like I said, I'll let y'all take a closer look at it. You can decide if you think, it's worth $300 just for a roller with no electronics, no transmitter, no receiver, no nothing. It's all you get, what you see. I'm talking about nice, very, very nice. I'm sorry, y'all, but it bounced back. Like it's very well built. This body is like really nice. So, it's up to you. It's what you think. But like I said, it is a very nice looking car. When I get my electronics in, I can't wait. But I think it's gonna be fun. But we'll see. But y'all let y'all take a closer look and then y'all tell me what y'all think. So my gang, get in the comment section and tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think it's worth the money? Do y'all think it's not worth the money? It definitely looks like it's worth the money, but we'll see. LC Racing does make great products, so we're just gonna see how it goes. But I don't know. Get in the comment section and let me know. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more of the best, from the best. And remember one thing, from now to next year, we national champions. Go Dogs. 1, we out.